description changed since your catalog. Here's lot 749.1 rolling up to the block next. Here's a 1969 Dodge Charger Joe Dirt Daytona movie car. Here's one powered by the Dick Landry tune, 440 cubic inch engine. It is from the Washer collection. Here's a 1969 Joe Dirt movie car.
I'd had to get out what he paying, have it honored on him, had to get out to get this baby doll here. I'd had to get out what he paying, 300,000 naughty, and 333 on it, to get out what he paid to get out 20, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 80, 90, and $90,000, 90,000 naughty, and 90,000 naughty out of it to get out 90 grand on it, paid to get out 90,000 naughty, and 90,000 naughty, 100, and 90, 110, 110, 110, 10, 10 out of it to get out 110, 110,000 naughty out of 20, 20, 20 out of it to get out 120, 30, 830, 830,000 naughty out of it to get out 30 on him here, 830,000 out of it to get out 40, 40, 135, 40, 140, 140, 140,000 out of it to get down to get this thing out here to get down 145, 5, 50, 850,000 out of it, 150,000 out of it, 850,000 out of it to get down what do you want to pay to get down 150,000 on him here, and 160, and 155 is back there now, 60, 160,000 out of it, 160,000 out of it, 160,000 out of it, now 70, 80, 180 didn't make it, you're late again here, 180, 180, 180, 180,000 out of it, 180, 92, and 222, and 200,000 out of you're late 2, and 222, and 200,000 out of it to get down 2, to get down 2, to get down 2, and 200,000 10, and 210, and 220, and 220, and 220,000 out of it to get down 10 or 10 or go ahead 20, 30.
Here's a movie car that was built on a restored XP29 Charger base. It is modified to appear rusty from the Joe Dirt movie. Beautiful 1969 Daytona movie car.
40, 50, I'd had to get down 250,000 naughty, and $250,000 is all, and 250, 60, and 260, and 260,000 naughty, you want 60, and 260,000 naughty, yes or no, I'm at 70, and 270, and 270,000, and 270,000 naughty, and 270,000 naughty, 80, 80, just be 300. And 83 and 300,000 out of it, and 300,000 and 300,000 out of it to get up what do you want to pay to get down 3 and 300,000 out of it all through, and 300,000 out of it, and 300,000 out of it to get up what do you want to pay to get down 3 and 300 is bid, and 310 and a half sold for $300,000. Emma Gator.